Welcome to Starseer, the platform designed to help enterprises see, secure, and assure their AI. In this session, we'll show you how we help organizations discover every AI asset, enforce policy, and continuously assure trust in their models and agents. When you first log in, the Overview dashboard provides a snapshot of your AI posture. You'll see key indicators for violation tracking, assurance scores, and overall platform health. This is your single pane of glass for AI visibility, risk awareness, and governance in one place. The first step in assurance is discovering what you have. Starseer's Asset Dashboard gives you a complete inventory of your AI ecosystem, every model, dataset, prompt, and service that's being used across your organization. For many teams, this is the foundation of control. It's how you uncover what's running in production, what's in testing, and where new requests are coming from. Each submission, whether it's a new model, dataset, or AI-powered agent, moves through a clear approval process. Starseer tracks queue to approval time, showing how long it takes for security and compliance teams to review and approve assets. Datasets and prompts receive similar treatment. Each request, whether marked harmless or risky, is analyzed, categorized, and approved or denied based on defined policies. The result is a living inventory, your single source of truth for AI use across the enterprise. Once assets are discovered and policies enforced, the next phase is assurance, protecting and validating your AI assets. This is where the Starseer workbench comes in. Through built-in scanning and policy automation, Starseer evaluates each model, dataset, and prompt for risk, ensuring compliance with your organizational standards. Let's start with model scanning. When a model is imported from a repository like Hugging Face or GitHub, Starseer analyzes its structure, dependencies, and code for vulnerabilities. If a model contains risky files, such as Python pickles or embedded scripts, the system flags and quarantines it. Results are mapped to established frameworks like NIST AI RMF, MITRE Atlas, and OWASP AI Top 10, giving security teams context for every finding. But models are only part of the equation. Starseer also scans prompts and datasets, checking for sensitive data, prompt injections, and other indicators of compromise. For example, if a prompt contains PII or an instruction to disregard safety, the system detects and blocks it. These scans can be automated, acting as real-time guardrails for users interacting with AI models. Each organization can define its own detection pipelines, whether to focus on data leakage, bias, or ethical content use. The AI computational graph gives data science and risk teams the ability to visualize and analyze models at the layer level, understanding how outputs are formed. Here we see an example of the computational graph of a model. Every layer, every operation, every token. Using Starseer, you can instrument layers to monitor processing behavior, insert checkpoints, and capture data as the model runs. Think of it as a debugger for AI. This is critical for detecting tampering or unauthorized modifications. Teams can differentiate two versions of a model, comparing a production model to a known gold source. When differences are found, Starseer highlights every change, including suspicious insertions or third-party library modifications. In one example, quantization changes introduced an unexpected dependency, signaling potential tampering. Starseer identified it instantly and allowed teams to remove it, preserving the integrity of the model without retraining. These same tools support model patching and recertification. Beyond static analysis, Starseer enables behavioral testing and interpretability, what we call steering. Steering lets teams map relationships between concepts and model behaviors, such as identifying which layers influence refusal, bias, or secure coding responses. By running structured tests, teams can observe how a model responds to specific inputs and how internal layers activate. If a model's behavior changes over time or fails to refuse unsafe prompts, Starseer reveals exactly where the shift occurred. You can experiment by neutralizing or reweighting layers, steering the model back toward compliant behavior. This capability turns model assurance into a measurable science, letting organizations test, adjust, and document their results. And with built-in AI red teaming, Starseer takes validation even further. Teams can select models and automatically run adversarial test sets, jailbreaks, injection attempts, and malicious queries to measure resilience. The final phase is bringing everything together into a continuous assurance lifecycle. Starseer connects discovery, enforcement, and assurance into one seamless process. From the same dashboard, leaders can track risk trends, measure compliance, and monitor AI performance across teams and systems. Each model and dataset carries its own assurance history: when it was approved, how it was tested, and when it was last validated. For CISOs, risk officers, and AI program leads, this delivers something entirely new: ongoing visibility and evidence-based confidence in every AI decision. AI governance isn't just documentation anymore. It's active, measurable, and integrated. If cybersecurity protects your data, AI assurance protects your decisions. That's the Starseer difference. Learn more at starseer.ai. Starseer. Discover. Enforce. Assure AI.